Today we're going to be unboxing the OnePlus 8 Pro. I'm so excited to get my hands on this guy. So let's get started. That's a beautiful red box. I've got the ultramarine blue color, which is my favorite. Let's go ahead and unbox this. I don't know why they made the box so long. All right. Look at that. Buttery smooth gliding, man. This is the new OnePlus 8 Pro, the Never Settle logo. Let's pick it up. So that's where the coil is for the charging coil. First of all, this thing, the height of this thing is 165.3 millimeters. The width is 74.3 millimeters. Thickness is 8.5. And the weight is 199 grams. It's not heavy. It's actually pretty cool. Let's remove this wrapper. The display size is 6.78 inches with a resolution of 3168 by 1440 pixels, so that's 513 ppi, and a fluid AMOLED screen. Supports sRGB and a Display P3. Of course, the cover glass is 3D Corning Gorilla Glass. You can see here the quad-core camera setup, the rear view camera. The main camera has a Sony IMX689 processor with 48 megapixels with OIS and EIS. The telephoto lens has 8 megapixels with OIS, and of course you got the ultra-wide angle lens that's also 48 megapixels. And interestingly, this is the subject of a lot of controversy. You've got the color filter lens with an abysmal 5 megapixel camera lens. Now, I'll be talking about this in future videos. So the zoom is 3x hybrid zoom. It's also got excellent 4K video recording capabilities. 4K video is at 60 FPS, 1080p video is at 30 or 60, super slow motion is at 720 video at 480 FPS, 1080p video is at 240, and of course you've got time-lapse videos, 4K 30 FPS and 30 FPS for 1080p. I want to see what's inside the box. Alright, so I guess this is the OnePlus welcome thing. Alright, some contact information. Cool, check out these stickers, man. Never settle, OnePlus. Alright, some paperwork right there. Yeah, and of course it's got a fingerprint reader. The SIM card ejection tool, pretty cool. That's the invitation letter. Hi there, this is your OnePlus, a smartphone made hand in hand with our community. Smartphone. So you've got a transparent cover that comes with the phone. Let's put it on. Okay, cool. Of course, the warp charge and the cable. And that's about it. I'll be making another video. Stay tuned for the review of the OnePlus 8 Pro. I'm so excited to use this, guys. Have a nice day.